Okay. All right. Hello, everyone. This is the last part of the webinar. At this point, you probably watched the other videos, which are separated into categories, and you have already entered your expenses and uploaded your files. So this part of the webinar, we are just going to go over how to submit the actual report, how to look at error messages if you did something wrong that the system can tell you, and how to fix your report if it is returned to you by myself, okay, or Christina, who we both reviewed the reports. So if there is an issue and you have already submitted it, we can return it. You can check the status of it, everything, all in this video. So first things first, you've already entered your expenses and you've already uploaded your backup documents for your category. So you are in the home page right now. So first thing you should check is that the total remaining balance here, as I highlighted, is either 0 or less than 0. You can tell if it's less than 0 because it'll have the parentheses and it'll be in red, like this one here. I expensed over the amount, so it's 300 over, which is good, which is fine. So if it is 0 or less, that means you are able to submit. So you would click on the submit button right under interim report, and the system will tell you if there is something wrong, and it'll tell you right up here. So there's always like a confirmation when you try to move on to a next step, such as when you try to submit. So the system is telling me that the required staff payment documentation is missing. So the system is going to tell you what is missing and in what category. So I can follow the instructions there, go to staff, click on edit, and I can see what I'm missing. So it looks like I entered 2 payments, both to me. One of them is cash. If I click on view, I can see that I uploaded something. If I want to open it, there. So it looks like I uploaded a photo of myself. And for the check, I can see that I entered 3 checks, but I can't click on this view button because there's nothing uploaded. So what I need to do is upload those checks. So I'll click on upload. I'll find the checks that should be on my computer somewhere. We'll do this image here as the check. Hopefully it lets it. I'll click on upload, and it'll tell me file was successfully uploaded, which is a good sign. And then if I click on view, I'll be able to see what I just uploaded there. And I just uploaded this image here, which means I'm good to go. I can click on view summary, and I can click on submit. So it told me what was wrong. I was able to put in what it told me to do. I'll click on submit, and this time it tells me the interim expense report was successfully submitted. That means my status should have changed. So before it was either open or in progress, now it is submitted. So being submitted, that means your part as of now is done until Christina or I review your actual report. So you can always come back to this page here, maybe weekly after you have submitted your report, so that you can see if it's still submitted, if it's approved, or if it's back in progress. If it's back in progress, that means that there is some corrections that we need to make. That means I or Christina have reviewed the report, and we believe that there is something wrong with it, so you have to take a look. But we'll also tell you that when we return the report, we'll tell you what is the issue. So let's go through what happens if your report gets returned. So on the administrative side, the back end of the system, I can view reports that just got submitted. So I just submitted a report, and now I can take a look at it. So this is the life in OS administration. So I'm taking a look, and let's say I want to return it for some reason, and I want to return it. So when I click on return, I can write some comments in here. So this is just a test, so I'll delete my colleagues away. I'll just have my own email. I'll say the uploaded documents are incorrect. Please upload a copy of the canceled check. So I'll write something like that, a little more cohesive than that, but this is just a test, so I'm just gonna make it short and sweet. So I'll write what you need to correct there. I'll return it to you, and you will receive an email saying that the report is not complete. You have to make some changes. Once you receive that email, you can log right back in. Sorry. So we'll go to this page. Actually, let's go as if we're starting fresh. So we'll go to feednyc.org in case you forgot where it was. Here to reporting portal. Put your email in and your password. So you'll receive an email notification to tell you what's wrong, but when you come back here, you'll see that it's back in progress. That means it was not approved after you submitted it, and you have to take a look. So I wrote in to the comments what was wrong, so you can come here to make any edits that I asked you to make. So let's say I said that you have to upload copies of the canceled check. So you have to make a correction to what you uploaded. So I'll upload something different. Hopefully this time is the correct document. If you don't know what is the correct document, you can always call or you can check the OS manual. And let's say there was something else wrong. For example, let's say payment frequency was different. So I'll have to change, I can click on edit to make any changes to the actual expense. Let's say I wanted it to be once. And then it always tells you if something is successfully updated. So now I can go to view summary and I can submit once again after I made those corrections, and it will tell me again that it was successfully submitted. Okay, at this point you should know how to enter your expenses, you should know how to upload your documents, and you should know that you have to make sure you submit after you're finished so that we can review it here at United Way. This is Vanson. If you have any questions, my number is always on the portal somewhere, and my email is here as well. So please use these videos to your advantage. This is the first time we've made these videos, so hopefully they are helpful. And a lot of this is also in the OS manual if you don't want to actually view the video, but this is a good way for you to walk through it. If you can watch it side by side while you're doing your report, it may make it even easier. Okay, this is the end of the webinar. Everyone, take care. Bye.